Hello future network pros. Today, we're putting your Juniper skills to the ultimate test using questions that often show up on the Juniper MistAI-Wired Specialist exam. If you can't answer these questions, you're not ready for the exam. Let's test your knowledge and see how close you are to certification. Question 1. Which statement is correct about a 3-stage Campus Fabric IP Clos? A. The distribution layer is connected to the access layer. B. The distribution layer is connected to the core layer. C. The core layer is connected to the access layer. D. The core layer devices are connected to each other. And the right answer is C. The core layer connects directly to the access layer. In Juniper's 3-stage IP Clos design, there's no distribution layer at all. The core, or spine, connects straight to the access layer. That's why it's perfect for smaller campus environments where simplicity and performance matter most. Question 2. Which 3 steps should be part of a Campus Fabric deployment? A. Define the physical connections. B. Define the networks of interest. C. Configure the DNS server. D. Choose the topology. Got your picks? The right answers are A, B, and D. When you deploy a Campus Fabric in Mist, you start by defining your topology, 3-stage or 5-stage. Then map out the physical connections, and finally define the networks of interest. DNS and GBP tags come later, not during deployment. Question 3. What's the primary benefit of using switch configuration templates? A. Improve performance. B. Reduce upgrade time. C. Simplify switch-specific changes. D. Provide consistent configuration across all switches. Easy one if you've studied. The answer is D. Templates in Mist make your life easier by ensuring consistent configuration across every switch in your organization. VLANs, NTP, syslog, port profiles, all synced automatically. Uniform, reliable, and zero guesswork. Question 4. You've got 2 EVPN sites using the same subnet, 172.16.1.0/24. How does EVPN prevent overlap? A. Alexa designated forwarder. B. Uses a layer 2 gateway. C. Uses a route distinguisher. D. Uses an Ethernet segment identifier. The right answer is C. Route distinguisher. In EVPN-VXLAN, route distinguishers make routes unique even if 2 sites share identical subnets. Think of it as tagging routes with an ID, so your network never gets confused. Final question. You get a Marvis action that says, port negotiation mismatch detected on EX3400-48P. What should you do? A. Verify both ports, auto-negotiate speed and duplex. B. Force half duplex. C. Replace the uplink SFP. D. Check if the device supports 802.3 auto-negotiation. The correct answers are A and D. Marvis flags mismatches when ports can't agree on speed or duplex. So make sure both sides are set to auto-negotiate and that the peer device supports I, E, 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 802.3 auto-negotiation. Simple as that.
So, how'd you do? If you nailed all 5, congrats! You're definitely on track for the Juniper MistAI-Wired Specialist exam. If not, no worries. Keep practicing. Head over to CertBoosters.com for full-length Juniper MistAI practice exam, topic-wise quizzes, and detailed explanations to help you crush your certification goals. Don't just study, practice smarter. Hit that subscribe button for more real exam prep videos, and we'll see you in the next challenge.